depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
I know it feels exhausting when you are just trying your best and trying to redeem yourself and you are so exhausted na you are thinking too much and you cannot stop thinking, obsessing about the solution that you can do in order for this one to be saved. So, you are thinking too much, trying to resolve everything and trying to provide a good resolution. However, for those reasons, because of that obsession of trying to fix everything, that's the consequence. There's obsession. And that obsession doesn't come out na maganda yung result. Mas lalong nagiging worse at mas lalo ka nagiging pariwara. And then what you are trying to do is just to compensate. You are trying to eliminate the insecurity, but it's really hard. Your body, your mind, your blood, your soul, they're all complaining. Because of your inside insecurity, childishness, and rejection sa loob-loob mo, yung child heart mo, naghahanap siya ng comfort, naghahanap siya ng mag-aalaga, mag-aaruga sa kanya. And you think it's your ex. That's the solution. And for that reason, you cannot stop texting, chatting, calling, and studying all the techniques that you know in the world just in order for you to get your ex. Yung iba sa inyo, kumukuha pa ng mga kung sino-sinong Madam Auring na manghuhula or mga chakra-chakra para lang mabalik yung ex nila. I've heard that a lot of times. May mga nagpapatarot pa. Yung iba naman ginagawa na yung kung ano-anong nakikita nila sa internet gaya ng law of attraction. But in the end, you just found out that there's no result. And then you tried no contact rule. And you cannot. Kasi you don't know the main formula. But you are still trying it. But there's no formula out here. When you do the no contact rule, I just want you to have this maturity to accept the consequence ng what if. Papasok tayo sa mundo ng what if. Ito ang what if ko. What if hindi na talaga siya mag-chat? Hindi na talaga siya mag-PM? What if nag-no contact rule ka? And then yun na pala yung ending. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. And maybe you are going to blame Coach Baze kasi sabi mo, babalik ang ex, ganyan. Yeah, babalik ang ex. Depende sa execution ng no contact mo. Kasi I assure you na kapag ginamit mo ng tama ang no contact rule, mag-work siya. But because of lack of patience and lack of trust about the psychology of no contact rule, then you will be having a lot of trouble. And I just want you to live in the world of what if. I just want you to consider that. Kasi paano kung may iba na siya? Paano kung may mahal na siyang iba? Ngayon, paano mo gagawin to? Paano mo babalik ang ex mo? Then, now, I wanted to tell you, you need to live in that world, in that reality. The what if reality. What's that what if reality? What if sa pagsisimula mo ng no contact rule, yun na pala yung ending ng relationship nyo? Kaya mo ba? Ngayon, kung hindi mo kaya, you need to decide kung magno-no contact rule ka ba o hindi. Now, meron kang dalawang ways. It's either trying to compensate dun sa ex mo, trying to provide a contract or resolution, trying to chat him, trying to reaching him out, trying to figure out with her or with him. Pero alam mo kung na-figure out mo na yan, ba't ka nasa channel ko? Kasi hindi nag-workout yung paglapit-lapit mo. Hindi nag-workout yung pakikiusap mo sa kanya. And for that reason, dahil hindi nga nag-workout yung pakikiusap mo, hindi mo siya nasolusyonan sa pamamagitan ng pakikipag-communicate lang. Ngayon, ang huling resort mo na lang is no contact rule. By the way, gusto ko lang i-inform ka. Every time na mag-no contact rule ka, gusto ko mabuhay ka sa mundo ng what if. Dahil ang tendency is hindi na kayo magbalikan kailanman. Dahil kapag no contact rule ka, you are going to use your pride. You are going to use your independency. And you are going to accept the world without him or without her. If you can do that, definitely that will work in a magical way. That's the only way for you to transform your mind into a new psychological level na never mo pang naabot. And that this is the time to confront your demon inside your head. And once na kinonfront mo yung demon mo inside your head, that will be the time that it will change everything. It will benefit you a lot. I know that communication is one of the ways para mabalik ang ex mo. But no contact rule is the best way that you can do. If you really give your best to get your ex back, then you need to really use this one. You need to use no contact rule. If communication doesn't work, then you don't have a choice but to provide commitment using no contact rule. And I want you to live in that kind of mentality, dun sa mundo ng what if. Alam ko marami kang strategy shit na gustong gamitin dyan, but those things won't work. Isa lang ang nag-work just to get your ex back, to be happy. A person who knows how to accept reality, a person who is not delusional, a person who knows what is goal and what is the best thing for him is the guy or is the woman who can actually conquer everything. If you want to conquer your ex, then you need to accept that this is the part of your journey. Wala kang choice kundi harapin ang bagay na to. And if you still have a question, just go ahead, PM me sa Philippine Dating Coach and we can have one-on-one coaching. Thanks for watching.